My name is Marissa, and I graduated from Plymouth State in 2024. I work at the Granite Group. The Granite Group is one of the biggest distributors of plumbing heating supplies in New England. It's my second stage of the sales management program. Usually you start in the warehouse for about 6 months, but I did my internship in a different setup branch, so I skipped that step and I'm on the counter full-time right now. And then after my 6-month point, I'll move to inside sales, sitting at a desk. So right now, my first priority is the customer in front of me. I really like working here. It's a great atmosphere. I really like the crew that I work with, and they're also constantly helping me better myself and constantly teaching me things because I'm always learning and evolving every single day. I'm trying my best to be the best. I have a brother, he got his undergrad at Plymouth State in business, and I have a sister who got her master's in childhood development. So we're a Plymouth State family. So I was actually working for my dad full-time when I was in high school because COVID hit when I was a senior, and that's when I decided that Plymouth State was a good option. I had a great experience. I met so many amazing people. The campus is absolutely beautiful. I just really like the atmosphere, and the classes I had were really good, and I think that they prepared me to get into a real job. I studied business administration. So I took marketing, I took sales, I took finance. I got a little bit of everything. Plymouth gave me really good internship opportunities. They held networking events that helped me reach out. Last summer I did an internship that I got through a sales networking event. I would say that their networking events really helped out. My advisor, Michael Kilfoyle, he was really great. He helped me through finding my first internship and getting my second internship. He helped me get my resume ready. He forced me into taking all of his classes too, which were all very hard. He knows that I probably wouldn't be where I am if it wasn't for him. I feel like a lot of the professors at Plymouth State are invested in your personal growth and helping you get to where you want to go. I think specifically in the sales department, they really go out of their way to help you network and really just expand your horizon about what's really out there. Plymouth is really affordable for in-state tuition. I have no loans right now. I worked full-time and paid my loans off as I went, so it was a really good option for me. I love my time at Plymouth State. I would recommend it to anybody who's thinking maybe college isn't 100% for them. Plymouth is a great affordable way to do it, and it's a great atmosphere where you're not just going to class, you're also going to class in the mountains. You can ski, you can rock climb, you can take classes doing that while learning about how to do your taxes and how to find a job. So I think it's just a great option. I feel like I made the right call. I would recommend to anybody.